Hi, I'm Mike Fryer, Head of Manufacturing Ops with Pico. Today I'm going to walk through what an ERP integration with Pico looks like using NetSuite as our example. You start with creating a work order in your ERP system, and the trigger to interface to Pico is you set your work order to released and save. This is work order 10832. And after it saves, you see that we now have one work order available, and there's our work order, 10832. I also sent one for a component that we're going to consume, and we'll build that first. And these are serial numbers of components that we are consuming in this build, along with quality inspection at the end to build that. And then that product, we are consuming that serial number so that we can maintain our traceability of raw components to the finished goods, along with our quality checks. As you finish those work orders, if I refresh now my work order, you can see that the work order now reflects that one is built. And if I go to my related records, a work order completion has now been processed, which carries the serial number that we generated for that finished product in Pico, tied to the ERP work order for managing inventory in ERP. If we look at the other work order and its work order completion, you can see the component inventory that we consumed is the same. If you want to learn more about ERP integrations with Pico, please visit our website, picomes.com.